Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the withdrawal rate on Wealthsimple. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including investing, tax filing, and banking. One of the most popular services that Wealthsimple offers is their investing platform. Wealthsimple's investing platform is a great option for people who are new to investing or who are looking for a simple and easy-to-use platform. Wealthsimple offers a variety of different investment portfolios to choose from, depending on your risk tolerance. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. What is the withdrawal rate on Wealthsimple? The withdrawal rate on Wealthsimple is 0.5%. This means that if you withdraw $1,000 from your Wealthsimple account, you will be charged a fee of $5. This withdrawal fee is relatively low compared to other investment platforms. For example, the withdrawal fee for Vanguard is 1%. It's important to note that the withdrawal fee is only charged if you withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account. There is no fee for depositing money into your account. Now that you know the withdrawal rate on Wealthsimple, let's talk about some of the other things you need to know about withdrawing money from your account. First, you can only withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account if you have a balance of at least $1,000. Second, it can take up to 5 business days for your withdrawal to be processed. Third, you can withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account using a variety of methods, including bank transfer, direct deposit, and check. Now that you know all the basics about withdrawing money from your Wealthsimple account, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of using Wealthsimple. Low withdrawal fees. Easy to use. Variety of investment portfolios to choose from. No minimum balance required. No account fees. Limited number of investment options. Not as good for experienced investors. Customer service can be slow. Overall, I think Wealthsimple is a great option for people who are new to investing or who are looking for a simple and easy-to-use platform. However, if you are an experienced investor or if you are looking for a wider variety of investment options, then Wealthsimple may not be the best option for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I'll see you next time.